video, I'm going to teach you English words related to Vesak festival. Vesak festival, Vesak Utsave. We commemorate api anusmaranya karanama. The birth of Prince Siddhartha. Siddhartha Kumurunge Upata. The enlightenment of the Lord Buddha. Buddharajanan Vahansege Buddhatvaya. The passing away of Lord Buddha. Buddharajanan Vahansege Parinirvana. Temple, Pansala, monk, bhikshu, the triple gem, Theruvan. Buddhist, Bauddha. The Buddhist flag, Bauddha Kotiya. Vesak Panda, Vesak Torana. Vesak devotional songs, Vesak Bhakti Gita. Devotees, Batimatun. The 5 precepts, Pansilpada Pahai. Religious festival, Agamika Utsave. Worship, Vandinava. Offer flowers, Mal Puja Karanava. Light oil lamps, Tel Pahandalvan. Burn incense, Swadadum Pulusan. The Sil campaign, Silvyapare. Almsgiving, Danayagi. Chant, Gayana Karan. Preach, Deshana Karanava. Almsgiving stalls, Danamya Kuti. Vesak lanterns, Vesak Kudu. Wish you a happy Vesak day.